Daylight Time. At 12:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rushville, or 17 miles east of Shelbyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Salem around 1:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Glenwood around 1:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Rush, Indiana,